6 and I'm getting ready to go out to a coffee shop and do some work because I haven't gone to a coffee shop in so long, and I love doing like work in coffee shops. I feel like I can focus more, and I don't know, it's just a lot better. So I'm gonna be going with my friend, and then we're planning to go thrift shopping as well. So I'm really excited about that because I haven't gone thrift shopping in like so long too. So I just bought this Power Grip primer by Elf, and I'm not sure how this is gonna work. Of course it's supposed to like stick onto your face, so it's sticky right now. It feels really weird, but we're gonna see how this works. I don't really have much to do at the coffee shop other than like edit the video that I'm filming right now, so maybe I'll just be editing this part of the video because I have like half of the video already edited. So that's like pretty much what I do at coffee shops, which is like look through my emails and do that type of stuff. You guys, I recently bought this little makeup bag and it's so cute. I have it linked down below from Amazon. Like, it has like these cute little cherries on it, and it's huge, which is like so much better because you can see everything in it, because usually most of my makeup bags that I get are just small and I just can't see anything. So it's harder just like to pick everything out, especially when I'm doing my makeup in the car like last minute or something like that. It's just way faster when I have like a bigger makeup box. This whole week, the day, oh my god, what am I saying? I feel like I don't go out at all, and this is like the first time in a while that I'm going out other than like going to the beach and stuff. Sometimes it's just like good to go out, and if you like stay at home a lot, I feel like you have like nothing planned for your day. You just feel like you're just bored all the time. You don't feel like you're doing anything with your life. Definitely go out, whether it just be like going out to nature or whatever, going to a coffee shop and doing some work. I feel like it just makes you feel 10 times better. You feel like you have something to do. Like, I literally wake up sometimes and I don't even want to like wake up early because I have literally nothing to do other than work out and then take a shower and then eat, which sounds like depressing, but ever since I finished with school, I have like kind of like my own routine, and I don't really have anything like to do, like literally nothing. I'm gonna be quite honest with you guys. Let me know what you guys would like to see more in my videos, because I absolutely have no clue sometimes on what to do, and I've been trying to post 2 times a week. Obviously that doesn't look like it because I have been kind of like inactive, but that's because I literally don't know what to film because every day is like the same for me. So I try to change things up sometimes, like go to the grocery store. Like, I do that once in a while, but it's not like I do that every single day. But I do want to be like different with my videos at the same time, but I try to be realistic as possible because every day is literally the same. That's why my videos are repetitive sometimes, and that's why I get comments like that, and I feel so bad because I know some of you guys just don't like it, but then that's like my normal everyday life and it's just what I do. So let me know what you guys want to see more on my videos, or like what videos you guys would like to see from me that are different, that I've never filmed before, or whatever it is. Or if you guys like more content like that I usually do, where I just like talk to the camera, get ready with me, go out to like little coffee shops, go to the beach, like beach vlogs, whatever it is, because I do live in Florida and a lot of you guys like seeing my like beach vlogs and stuff like that. So let me know. Anyways, I have like literally nothing else to talk about, so I'm just gonna do my makeup and do like a little time lapse because I don't want to make it like super long and dramatic and talk about like everything in my life. Like, let me know if you guys like when I do that. But also, I just wanted to recommend one product that I am absolutely obsessed with, which is the Halo Glow liquid filter, and I swear this literally covers up everything. I have like the worst breakout right now on the side of my cheek, which I know you guys can probably see a little bit, but it's probably like worse without this. But also, my boyfriend's like on FaceTime with me and he's just watching me do my makeup, and I am gonna see him in like 2 weeks. He's like imitating me right now. But I have him muted because I can't talk, and I feel like everybody's judging me. Even though it's just him, but like I feel like he would judge me. He's judging me right now. I haven't seen him in like 2 months, which I'm gonna see him soon, and I'm so excited about that. You guys will see that in my vlog. Anyways, I have to leave at 12:40 to pick up my friend, and then we're gonna go to the coffee shop. I wanted to take pictures, but it's like really gloomy out. But I'm just gonna shut up and do my makeup because I don't even know what I'm doing right now. I'm just like picking up random things and just keep putting blush on my face, and I probably look dumb. Like, I'm gonna look dumb because it's like so much blush, but it's okay. Comment down below your favorite makeup product if you do makeup. I will forever love blush. Like, it just brings so much more color onto your face. It just looks so good. I also love this product by Freck Beauty. It's just like freckles on your face that you put. I have like 1 freckle on my face. Here goes me with this blush again. I use the Fit Me by Maybelline blush. It's like my favorite. I love powdered blush. Coffee shop, and I got myself a blueberry matcha, and I'm gonna try it. It has like a cute little flower on it. It's really cute.
Oh, the Paulichi. Wait, should you mix it?
Oh.
Here, hold on. Here's one.
She tried.
Like a layer drink?
But I'm just waiting for my pizza, and he's hungry too.
This is my pizza, Mom, and I made it at school today.
I'm back home and I'm gonna show you guys like what I just got in the mail, which I'm like really excited about. I'm pretty sure this is what I'm thinking it is. As you guys know, like I'm obsessed with making matcha, and look how cute this bowl is. I got the green bowl for making matcha. It's like a whole matcha bowl set with more things. It comes with the bamboo whisk and also like the bamboo utensil, and it also comes with this like little holder to put the whisk on top, so just like set it on when you're done with everything. I am obsessed with this because I was looking online and I was like, oh my gosh, the color is so pretty. Plus this, like I have the bamboo whisk and I also have like the little spoons for it, so you can put like the scoops in for your matcha, but I don't have like a little whisk thing, and I couldn't really find anything other than like not with the bamboo whisk, and I needed a new one anyway, so I was like really excited to get this, and I found this on Amazon, so it'll be linked down below.
Oh my gosh.
It is so early. Like if you asked me like how are you up, I don't have the answer. I went to sleep at 12. How dark it is outside. It's actually so creepy how it's dark outside. Cute. Good morning, everyone. Let's go pick up my friend. Currently 4 a.m. I want to cry.
Lottie, it is go. It is go.
Okay, we gotta go to Starbucks. We're thinking about getting shots.
Shots.
They have.
I like the detox one.
They have immunity. They have happy.
Ashwagandha.
Oh, we should get beauty one.
Call me ugly.
Matcha, get out.
It's matcha?
Yeah, it says lion's mane.
It's leaking. Is it good or is it just pink? Pretty nice. Oh, yeah.
Alright, so we just finished up at Publix and we got this lemon perfect hydrating lemon water with 0 sugar. I got it because I think it's cute.
It was pink.
We also got beauty shots and we got happy shots, and then we also got pineapple.
Which one do we try first?
Wait, is it good for your skin and stuff?
Yeah,
oh, it has
biotin in it. Well, it says grapefruit, apple juice, biotin, some bamboo.
3, 2, 1, go. It has a bittersweet taste to it.
Yeah, it's a little bitter, but that's how grapefruit tastes. And these ones are happy. They're the blood orange guava.
Good one. This one's better than the other one.
They were both good. I don't want to try the nasty ones with like turmeric and ginger in them.
And that's our little taste test. I would definitely recommend the shot one.
They're so good, so you brand.
Alright, so we made it to the beach, and basically I'm gonna tell you guys a backstory, or not like a backstory, but like what happened this morning. So we got here at 8 a.m. because we tried to wake up early and go to the beach. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but tried to go watch the sunrise, but that didn't really like go as planned because I kept missing so many exits. It's like a 1-hour drive to go to the beach from my house. So we tried our best. We just ended up going to Melbourne, which is like a little bit further away, and we just are gonna tan all day here. We're gonna maybe go to a restaurant. It's gonna be fun. I have this hydrating lemon water. I'm gonna try it real quick. We're gonna see how this is. I am basically getting unready to go to sleep now. I feel like I honestly needed like a little reset with just doing everything, even though it's like small little things. Comment down below if you're excited for summer and like spring overall with like the hot weather. If you live in like a place where it gets hot during the summer, then comment down below. Like where my family lives, it's in Brazil, and like literally all of them live in Brazil. My family's actually from Sao Paulo, so like in Brazil it's like cold during the summertime here, and then around Christmas it's like summer for them. A lot of you guys asked me so many questions about if I'm Brazilian Brazilian or whatever. So my parents are actually Brazilians. I was born in America here. So I know how to speak a little bit of Portuguese. I'm not fully fluent because I do mix English and Portuguese together. So I'm not like that good at Portuguese, which I am a little bit like insecure about when I speak Portuguese. Like if I could, I would film a video of like me speaking Portuguese for a whole day, but it would be like literally such a challenge for me because I can't even do that with my parents. Like I cannot speak Portuguese only with a whole sentence. I'll have to mix English in that sentence. If you guys understand, like if you have Brazilian parents and you're from America, like you were born in America, then you guys would know if you go to like school and stuff. I've only visited Brazil one time, and that was when I was 3, so I haven't seen my family in so long. Like usually they come here, but they haven't come here in like so long, especially my cousins. I went to go see my cousin in Canada like in 2019. If you guys watched my videos back then, you guys would know. But other than that, I really haven't seen my family. But I definitely want to take a trip to Brazil because I feel like that would just be so much fun, having to visit like all my parents, or not my parents, my family, like my grandma and grandpa, all my cousins and everything, because I barely know my cousins correctly. It's crazy to think about. Like we have not been to Brazil in so long. I barely remember the last time I went to Brazil, so I really can't say much. All I know is that they all do live in São Paulo. Let me know if you guys have any more questions. I love talking about this because I don't really talk about this on my channel. So I love just talking about like where my family's from, because a lot of you guys ask like what are they, like what language are they talking in, like all that stuff. But guys, I've been using the Skin Calming Daily Moisturizer Cream, and this stuff is amazing for if you have like sensitive skin on your skin, just anywhere. So I put this like all over my knees. I like struggle opening it. I always have to open it with like a sleeve or something, but I just put this all over my knees and my elbows. But I'm not gonna put it on my elbows because I have like a long sleeve and it's gonna be harder to put it on, so we're just gonna put it on the knees. This perfume is literally amazing. If you go to Marshall, look for the Pure Door for Women perfume. It is amazing. I spray perfume when I go to sleep, which is kind of weird, but I don't want to wake up like feeling gross, like smelling gross, so I put perfume on. But this is like the best perfume. It's my favorite perfume, and it was literally so cheap compared to like all the other perfumes I own. So if you go there, definitely look for this. It was only $16.99, so